This global version of Vivo X70 series will have FunTouch OS and different processor. Also, this phone will be coming soon. Hi guys, this is Tech Specification. Today I'll show you in this videos of Vivo X70 series, which has launched in China on 9 September this year. Before proceeding this video, first channel to subscribe and click on a bell icon to get more updated videos latest on this channel. So let's get started. Vivo X70 series was launched on 9 September this year and partnership with Zeiss trademark T-Star on a rear camera point. Global version will be coming soon on X70 series by Vivo company. But previously X60 series had Zeiss camera trademark partnership last year. X70 series have new features or processor has added, and this is the gimbal camera in this phone as previously on X50 series with normal camera. Vivo X70. These three colors are only available like Antique White, Cosmic Black and Aurora Dawn. These phones have triple cameras with Zeiss T-Star trademark. X70 has 7.55mm thick and 181 gram weight on this phone. These lens has IMX776 on Zeiss camera and second lens has IMX663. These triple cameras have 40 megapixel primary, 12 megapixel wide angle and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Vivo X70 in a display it has 6.56 inch on this phone. The front camera which has 32 megapixel on this phone. The processor of Vivo X70 powered with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipsets and it works on 5G connectivity. The battery capacity of Vivo X70 has 4450 mAh battery. Vivo X70 Pro. These cameras have quad cameras with Zeiss T-Star trademark. It has 50 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 12 megapixel teleport camera and 12 megapixel portrait camera. The first lens has IMX776V and second lens has IMX663. The lens of Vivo X70 series Zeiss trademark has more options like Biotar, Distagon, Planar, Sonar are the four lens of Vivo X70 series mode in the camera settings or in a Pro mode. The only X70 Pro processor has come a new priority chip called Vivo V1 for the first time. Vivo's first processor chip has come only the processor of Vivo X70 Pro. It has 4450 mAh battery and the secondary processor of Vivo X70 Pro comes with Samsung Exynos 1080 chipsets. It has 6.5 inch display on a phone. Vivo X70 Pro Plus. This is the X70 Pro Plus which has a quad camera with Zeiss partnership and the right side written in a company font with black style chef form. These have only three colors like black, blue and orange. It has 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel wide camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide camera and 8 megapixel teleport camera. This X70 series have 360-degree horizon leveling stabilization on this phone. This lens have IMX663 on Zeiss in this phone. T-Star means Tana on Vivo X70 series trademark logo on this camera. This have Pro cinematic mode on this device. This processor has two forms. One is Vivo V1 chipset and the secondary processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus. It has 120Hz refresh touch sampling rate. This is 5G connectivity on a device and it has stereo dual speaker on a device. It has IP68 water resistant. It has 4500 mAh battery and flash charge 50 watt wireless charger. It has 6.7-inch display on X70 Pro Plus. Every Vivo devices of software only in China has Origin OS version of all Vivo devices. The front camera of X70 Pro Plus has 32 megapixel camera. The prices of Vivo X70 series and availability of this phone. Vivo X70 of 8GB plus 128GB starts at 3699 yuan. 8GB plus 256GB starts at 3999 yuan. And 12GB plus 256GB starts at 4299 yuan. Vivo X70 Pro of 8GB plus 128GB starts at 4299 yuan. 8GB plus 256GB starts at 4599 yuan. 12GB plus 256GB starts at 4799 yuan. And 12GB plus 512GB starts at 5299 yuan. Vivo X70 Pro Plus of 8GB plus 256GB starts at 5499 yuan. 12GB plus 256GB starts at 5999 yuan. And 12GB plus 512GB starts at 6999 yuan.
vivo X70 Pro 加，邀您品阅全新影像世界。新升级的蔡司光学镜头达到了蔡司 T 星镀膜标准，在主摄上首次使用超高透玻璃镜片，超逆光下也能还原纯净夜色。手机摄影重现经典影像，轻松一拍，还原4种蔡司镜头人像风格。超广角微云台主摄对手机防抖进行全新突破，创新的360度地平线防抖，无论如何旋转，画面始终稳定保持在水平线上。实时预览点亮黑暗，夜色超越所见。黑夜中清晰明亮的夜景视频，由 vivo 自主研发的微影影像芯片所加持，留住精彩夜色。高通骁龙888 Plus 5G 芯片，提供无与伦比的旗舰体验。视听处的全方位优化，带来3镜合一的沉浸体验。细腻的超感自由屏，呈现更进一步的生动鲜活。这就是全新的 X70 Pro 加，蔡司影像品阅时光 ，vivo。
So that's all for this video, and how you like this video, give it to the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe. So stay tuned for updated videos. Thanks for watching.